Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Jay. Today we're gonna make egg noodle. Here we've got plain flour. We've got 500 grams here, so half a kilo. We've got just over a teaspoon of salt. That's obviously gonna go in the flour. And here we've got 5 eggs and a yolk. Now, I normally do this by hand, but today I'm gonna be putting all this in my food processor. Okay guys, this has been resting for about 45 minutes, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut this in 4. We've got our dough, some flour here, that we're gonna get everywhere, guys, because we've got a bit of the rolling pin here. Have some flour on both sides, so we want this kind of like rectangle. Flour all of this, guys, because it's just gonna stick and make you have a heart attack. So what we're gonna do is this. You see that? And just let the machine do the work for you. Off. So now we're gonna use this part. Just align this here, and then the machine will do the rest for you. So there we go. Got some nice homemade noodles. We're gonna get the flour, and then we're just gonna dip it in here. Pop them in some flour. Look how perfect these look. So now I just pop these on the tray. We'll spread them out a bit because we don't want them to stick. But you can freeze this for a month, you'll be good. Once you've made the noodles, it can only be kept for like 4 or 5 days. Okay guys, while we're bringing the water to a boil here, we've got a metal bowl. In here I've got just over a tablespoon of oil. So this is where the cooked noodles gonna go into. We need to do the coating with oil when it's cooked because we don't want it to stick together. Add some salt in. Again. Do half a minute again. Pop it in here, get some chopsticks or a fork and then just start doing that, so to just unstick the part that's stuck together in the water and then mix the rest in the oil so they don't stick, so it looks like that and it's glistening. We've got the noodles here. What we're going to do, we're just going to pop it on here, spread it out and let it just dry. Then we can like refrigerate this. This will be okay for up to like 5 days in the fridge. Put this, then obviously to finish it off. Right, so there we have it. I'm gonna have some of that with obviously the lesser slice and some chili. So yeah.